You can watch me live on YouTube. That's the link. For those who have done STR, you should also join the link for it will serve as a mentorship session for you guys. Okay, so okay, so you're welcome back again to another edition of On the Chat with Dr. Harmonics. And we are live on YouTube, we are live on Telegram. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Smash the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload the next video. And today, okay, so today we are going to look at some pairs, how they are faring and what we should be expecting in the next videos. Oh. Okay. Let me share the link. Okay, so you're welcome, you're welcome. Now we are going to look at the chart, what is happening on the chart, and please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, smash the like button and press the notification bell. So what's happening this week? What's happening this week? Guys, we are live on YouTube and Telegram. What's happening this week? I've been very, very busy with some real estate share, and it took a whole lot of time. out of my schedule. I'm back and it's going to be fun and crazy. You guys should expect a lot, especially again to the end of the year. We should be expecting something massive, something. We need to finish the year very well. So we need to do the right stuff so that we can finish the year extremely, very, very well. Okay. Now, Mr. Roy wants to speak. Mr. Roy, you want to speak? Okay. Mr. Roy, you can speak. Okay, Mr. Roy is not ready. Let me see what's happening on YouTube. Okay, so let's share the chart and see what's happening. Okay, so we are going to look at some of the okay. So look at the index, we look at, we'll also be looking at some of the index. I mean, the stocks, but it's basically index. Okay, German 30 and 100, they are basket of, I mean, asset classes. Okay, they are bucket of, I mean, companies' performance over here that we see, like German 30 and the rest. Okay, so I've not gone through the chart. Actually, I've not gone through the chart. I'm here to do it live with you guys so that you know exactly what you should be anticipating. So these are the watch lists of some of the currencies that we'll be looking at. First of all, let's go straight to the dollar index. That's the most predominant index that we are going to look at, the DXY. The DXY shows the strength of the dollar. Okay, the DXY shows the strength of the dollar. So we are going to look at the dollar and what we should be expecting. Okay. Now, if you recall, on a weekly time frame, guys, look at something on the weekly time frame. Now, look at this candle. You will see that it has still not found its bottom yet. It has still not found its bottom. You can see it over here. There's no wick over here, and I'm still expecting it to rally down. Okay. Now, we had on the weekly time frame, you saw that we had, as I've been telling you all the time, we had the kind of pattern over here, which was a deep crab pattern formation over here. Before we got to this level, a lot of people were doubting if the DXY will still be falling because there was no indication. There was no indication. This is it, 161.8, this level. this is where I saw that it will be falling. And on the weekly time frame, it's falling up to this level. Okay. So that's the 161. This level, it fell and it's still dropping. Now, I'm still the bearish move has still not completed yet. I still see more bearish move over here. I still see more bearish move over here. Now, let's look at the first take profit. We were looking at the 38.2 fib level. So if we say the 38.2, then that means that when we draw Fibonacci from here to here. Now let's look at deep crab. Deep crab, we said that, let's go to the STR group. Okay, the STR library. And let's look at, okay, so this is the cheat sheet. Now, the STR, we said that when you get a deep crab, the B88.621. Now, the first take profit one is 38.2 of AD up to 61.8 of AD. So that means that okay, guys, a moment. Now we said the deep crab, if it's 88.6 of AD, then it will mean that the take profit one is so we are targeting 38.2 of AD. Okay, we are targeting 38.2 of AD over here. Now 38.2. So let's go to our let's go here. Now 38.2 of 38.2 of AD. XABC. So 38.2 of AB will be here. Now it's rather here to here. So first take profit one should be around here. 38.2. This is where the first take profit should be. From A to D. So first take profit one is here for the dollar index. Right. We are considering, at this point, we are also considering, you see, the overall trend is a buy. Okay. But once we have a harmonic pattern, we are considering it to hit the 30.2. We are also considering, so the first takeoff is 38.2. We are also considering the 23.6 because it's the closest fib level. So, and we have another block around this area. So we can also consider the 23.6 here. Now, so far, it has not even gotten to the 23.6 before it even gets to the 38.2. So we are still expecting more bearish move for DXY. You see that on the weekly time frame, the candle has not even, I mean, if it's going for a buy, you see that the candle has not even found its bottom. A buy, I don't expect this candle to go up like this now, which means that the current buy you are seeing could just be a pullback of the trend. Okay, the breakout, the pullback of the current breakout. Now, this is what I'm expecting. So currently, when you check on the 1 hour time frame, when you even draw a trend line, you see that there was a pullback and it's forming a retest. Now, I'm expecting this one to just be a breakout and a retest. So at this point, I'm just going to consider this one as just like a double top formation over here, like a breakout and a retest to this level. So I might want to look for a selling opportunity from here. Now, I can also use this one as a harmonic pattern. This is 38, so it can go to a bat pattern formation or alternative bat pattern formation, where you have, it can also form shark or cipher. That means that this one can go slightly above, then it continue going down, because this is a breakout of this market structure. Okay, those who have done STR, you see that this is a breakout of market structure where you have your impulse correction. This is a flat correction, impulse. Okay, this structure has not even been broken. Okay, it's not even been broken yet. But this level has been broken. So we can even use this one as a breakout market structure and go down. So I'm still expecting a bearish move after the retest level where you to the downside. You can go put your stop loss maybe above this previous resistance here, maybe around here, and see how the market will play out. Okay. Now, so in the long term, at least this one should come and hit this level 23.6 or this level 38.6 before we get another move to the top. Okay. So for now, I am bearish. You can really see it over here. Now, this is actually a breakout market structure. You can see, okay. That's why I tell people to do STR. Look at this. This is even breakout market structure. Okay. This is broken. So it's starting, once it's broken, it's possible it's starting a bearish trend. Okay. So let's look for any impulse, any up move should be seen as a bearish, like an opportunity to sell more. Any up move should be seen as an opportunity to sell more. The overall trend is a buy, but I still expect a sell momentum. Okay, I still expect a sell before the big before the big buy. I still expect a sell. So this level it could sell, or it can come to this level and sell. Any of them is very correct. Okay. Okay. So this zone, either this zone or this zone, is going to sell. Okay. Now, if it should sell, then that means that it's going down to this level or this level before we see the up move coming. Okay. So for now, just don't be looking for Euro USD sell, Euro USD sell. You could be caught in a trap. The sell will only be active if we see a break of this dynamic trend line here. Once DXY breaks up above this dynamic trend line, then you say that the dollar strength is beginning to happen. But for now, I'm still expecting a bearish move of the dollar. Okay, so let's look at some of the pairs. Let's go to the main pairs for the day. Now, USD JPY, dollar is weak, yen is weak. It's not an ideal pair to trade for now because the yen index is very weak and the dollar index is also expected to fall. So USD JPY will not be my ideal, an ideal asset to look at, the USD JPY, okay? Because when you go to the index, JPY index is still in a bearish trend, right? DXY should also, we are also expecting a bearish move here. On a normal circumstance, the overall trend is that it should continue buying, but currently we are expecting DXY to fall and JPY is already in a bearish trend, so it's not an ideal pair I'll be looking at. But if you ask me, this is a pair I'll be looking for more selling opportunities than buying. Now, this is how I'm approaching this pair. Before what's happening over here, I am seeing this one, ABC correction, as a running flat correction. So I'm expecting this. Now, the distance from, where is the, so I'm expecting 100 Fibonacci extension level here. So I've done STR, you know how to use the AB COSI, the 100 Fibonacci extension level. So I'll be looking at this one as an impulsive wave, ABC Elliott wave correction, and another impulsive leg. That means that once on the lower time frame, we confirm a sell entry, we can sell all the way to this level before any other move. That's what I'm expecting from. So I'm still expecting a bearish move of USDJPY. Okay. Please, if you're on YouTube, don't forget to smash the like button and press on the notification bell, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's grow the community so that I can give you the best of analysis on the channel. Okay, guys. Calvin Kula, I see you. You're watching all the way from Takwa. Just keep the fire burning on YouTube. Okay. Let me see those. Okay. Guys on Telegram, any question before we move to the others? Okay. I think there are no questions. Let's move. Okay. Okay. Now let's look at the other pair. USD card, the same thing that I was telling you about. I'm still bearish bias for USD card. Still bearish bias for USD card. It's just a short term. So I'm just looking for a short term. So, okay. Maybe one leg drop, maybe one leg drop will do. Maybe one leg drop over here. Maybe one leg drop. Just a short term. So A, B, C, D, E. Maybe one leg drop will do for USD card. Because even when you check here, from here to here, there is some sort of divergence there. Okay. You see some divergence over there. So I'm still expecting one move down before any other thing. Okay, so let's be expecting another move down before we look at buy opportunity. USD CHF, the same way, the same move. Euro USD to the same move. Now I was expecting, a breakout of this. Let me look at something. So I was expecting something like this rather. So a breakout retest, then it goes up. You see, I drew the line over here. So I was expecting this thing to come and hit it. And this one came to hit it before it went. This support zone, that's where I was expecting. This line, that's where I was expecting it. So once it gives us an indication for a buy move, I would enter. For now, I want to stay outside and watch. Once it gives us a reversal candle over here. Now, let's look whether there is any divergence or something. This one can give us divergence, but I'm not looking for that as divergence. I'm expecting this move. Okay, I'm expecting this move for Euro USD. I see a bullish cipher on USD card. Okay, which time frame? So Samai said I see a bullish cipher on USD card. Let me know the time frame so that I will also look at it. And let's look at Euro AUD. Guys, a moment. Guys, a moment. Okay. Okay, guys. So someone said USD card 1 hour. He sees a bullish cipher. Let's see whether USD card will see a bullish cipher over there. USD card 1 hour bullish cipher. Let's see whether I will see it over there. Okay. Okay, so he is trying to take it from here. He's trying to take it from here. This one as a breaking market structure. So he is taking it this way, right? I think that's what he's doing. Yeah, breaking market structure, retest. I don't know if that's what you are seeing. Okay, it's a way of analyzing. Yes, it makes sense though. 38.2, so 78.6. That means that he's expecting this. Okay, so he's expecting this on 1 hour time frame. So Samaj, let me know if that's exactly what you are trying to depict. Let me know. So this is what he's trying to get. This is what he's trying to project for the cipher pattern. Let me know if that's what you are anticipating. Okay, so he says, Doc, that's exactly what I'm saying. Yeah. Okay. It makes sense though. It makes sense. It makes sense. See, Forex, you should get a reason for entering the market. If there is no reason, then you are just gambling. Okay. So at least this is reason for entering. It makes sense because dollar in the short term will be weak. So it makes sense. I think, let me see if I can, let me add that one to my portfolio and see. Samaj, if you lose, I've also lost. Okay, so let me put my stop loss here and see if Samaj, if you lose, I've also lost. So let me put it above the and hit up to 17.6 here. Let me go to the lower time frame and see what's happening. Okay. Okay, it makes sense. Let's get a bearish confirmation. Okay, let's go to the so on the 5 minutes time frame, let's get a reason for entering the market here. Okay. Let me where's the card? Okay. One 137,840. We are already in profit, so we're already in profit. Let's okay. Um So let's look for another pair. I've been holding USD cash short position since last week. Doug, don't you think Fed increasing rates tomorrow will make the dollar more stronger? Yeah, for me, I have not seen any Fed increasing rate, but let me see. Someone is saying Fed is going to increase rate. Let's see if I've not checked the if news is that sure banker like that, then everybody will be rich. So I'll check how do you call it, the calendar and see what's going to happen. Okay. I'll check the calendar. So thanks for Mikel, thanks for reminding me. I'll check the calendar and look at price action. Okay. Now, Euro AUD, let's look at this one played out already. The right time frame information. I want to understand what this one is doing before anything. Now let's put it here. Here, 50. So this one should get to here. If it's going to form a harmonic pattern, then it should get to here. But there was a break in market structure here. So we are supposed to have at least to have a cipher pattern. We should at least get to this level. Okay. So this was the break, the B was the break in market structure. Okay, the B broke the structure. So, and it gave us a rate test slightly below the A. So the first point, since the C exceeded the A, see that shark or cipher. So you can still go to 88 to come and tie the other block here, right? 88 to 113 to come and tie the other block. Or it will just hit the 78.6 over here to complete a cipher pattern. So I'll be looking for possibly buying opportunity here to the top to go and complete the cipher pattern on the lower time frame. Right. So a break above here, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so A, B, C, D, C. Now, once you have a break above here, then it should go to the top to go and complete this pattern over here. So just wait for a break. Maybe a buy stop around this price. Maybe a buy stop around this price. 155,476, and this will be your take profit. However, if it breaks down, then that means that it was just an ABC flat correction. This could be just an expanded flat correction. So this would have been the impulse the ABC. Or it didn't type this one. That means that the harmonic pattern is not complete. It just breaks it. So once this dynamic trend line breaks, then that means that it was just an expanded flat correction. So it's going for another impulse leg like the previous run over here. Okay. So, but for now, if this harmonic pattern should go, then trust you me, we are going to the top to complete this level. Now, Euro JPY, I was expecting to hit this level. Exactly, it has come to hit it. So what's next? Let's look at the higher time frame. Now you can see that over here, there was a break of market structure here, right? There is a break of market structure. So they should tell you that this one will go for a long-term buy. This will be the B38. So you might be climbing all the way to this level or all the way. Let me see. No, all the way to this level. So 88 to 113. 88 to 113 on the monthly time frame. That means that we have to look for the key levels that will send us to the 113. The same thing I did with the DXY. Okay, so when I do these things, just take notes. Impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, break of market structure, retest, and it's going. So this will form a harmonic pattern. It's going to form a harmonic pattern like this. Take profit one, which will complete a bad pattern or alternative bad pattern. Right. So you see that we have a bad pattern here or alternative bad pattern 113. Now, how do we get to this level? That is the big question. So let's go to the 8 hour, look at the pattern formation over there. If you are not a paid member, you will not get 8 hour chart. Now, this one formed 78.6. So it was expected to end at 127. That's why I drew my line up to here. This completed a butterfly pattern. Now with the butterfly pattern, it has to sell from here. After I hit this level to complete the butterfly, it has to sell from here to 38.2 of AD. which it came to sell to 38.2 of 80. Now, it's either it comes to the 50 or 61 or it continues up because TP1 has already hit. Okay, this is take profit 1 at 38.2. Remember, the overall trend is what? A buy. Okay, the overall trend is a buy. So if the overall trend is a buy, okay, so Euro JPY has two Gatleys on 1 week. The first Gatley is going for TP1, two bearish Gatleys, I mean. Okay, so he's talking about the major Gatley and the minor Gatley. So let me look at the Gatley he's talking about. Son of patience, please, can you hear me? Those on Telegram, can you hear me? Those on Telegram, please, can you hear me? Those on, if you can hear me, just type, I can. Those on Telegram, if you can hear me, just type, I can. Just type it in the group, I can. Okay. Weekly time frame, Gatly. I'm looking for, okay. So someone saw something here. So from here to here, 51. So this Gatly got invalidated because at 78.6, it went to touch 88. So this Gatly is not going to hold. It's going for 1618. It's going for 1618 over here. It's going for 1618. Since this Gatly didn't hold, it's going for 1618. Now, that would also mean that at this point, let's look at this other Gatly over here. 61. So another, so that means that if this Gatly, if the second Gatly will hold, if this one, that means that in the interim, we should be seeing a buy up to this level. Okay, so we should be seeing something like this Gatly to hold. That means that for Euro JPY, you should be looking for buy opportunity to here or here. Now, let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour time frame is forming a correction. Now, any opportunity that you get in selling, now this correction, this one, this pattern formation over here could come all the way to form a shark or cipher pattern. So you can get something like this. Okay. Then we have the buy going up because it has to go and complete this pattern formation at the top. So don't, if you are selling Euro JPY, don't be looking for so much sell, no. anything can happen. One news can just trigger it to the top. Okay, so be buy bias for EuroJPY. Okay, so we are in profit for USD card. We are still in profit for USD card. USD card is still selling. Okay, still selling. Let's see the sell holds. Now, I hope we are okay with EJ. So be buy buyers, but be looking for selling opportunity. Maybe you can close the month up to this level to get the support, then it pushes up. Okay, so it's now finding the monthly support. Maybe this harmonic pattern might help it find the monthly support. Then it to push up. Okay, so look for selling opportunity around this zone. From here to here, look for selling opportunity and we'll ride it to the top. Guys, if this is your first time visiting the YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And I hope you are enjoying the analysis. I hope you are enjoying the analysis. I hope you are enjoying the analysis. Please check the confluence of AB127 on EuroJPY smaller 1 Gatling. Okay, let me check the 1.27. Euro Gatling. So you see, he's looking at this one and he's also looking at this one. Okay, so don't be confused, guys. If you've not done STR, please do STR. He's looking at this one. So someone say I should look at, please check the confluence of AB 127% on EuroJPY. And Samant, you are doing great. So let's see of AB. Okay, 172. Okay. Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. Anyway, it's a confluence. It makes sense though. The confluence, but I'm not looking for a long-term sell of this move. I'm just looking for a short term, but what you're saying makes sense. So you can get it. Okay, let's look at the cheat sheet for Gatling. Let's look for the cheat sheet of Gatling. Trying to Gately. Okay. 127 extension of AB. Yeah, it makes sense. So yes, it makes sense. It's XA, but it can extend to 127. So I get it. Hey, this guy is learning. It's good. Learning. So maestro, they are learning. It's good. Thank you. So he's looking at this one. So STR is basically boys are learning. Okay, let's look at AB. So from here to here, the confluence, no, not this one, not this one. He's looking at this. From here to here, 127, which is here. Okay. So you are looking at this place. Now, so he's looking at the 1.272 confluence. Now, if this one, that's why I said I'm expecting some sort of bearish move before it continues. Once we have the bearish move. So for now, the sell bias for euro yen. So the sell bias, I'm saying, for me, I'm looking at more bearish move. Then I'll look for opportunity to buy. So for now, the bearish bias, as I indicated earlier, the bearish bias for euro yen is the bearish or sell bias for euro yen. Okay, so that once it gets to this zone, if there's an opportunity to buy, I'll buy to the top. I don't expect that Gately to give us a lot of sales, especially when DXY has completed its bearish move. Okay. Okay. So JPY, let's look for some summers. Okay. Okay. Now, which one again? Euro pound. I don't like this pair. Euro pound, it went to smash the TP like something. It was a hell of a ride. You see, I did this a long time ago. Look at this. It went to smash the TP. It was, I saw a break in market structure, rate test, and pine. This was, so 38. So it was between 80 to 113. So this was the take profit. The daily time frame. It's seen it over there. It went to smash it. Back and it has returned since then. So it was more or less like this, breaking market structure, rate test, and this was the move. So it went to hit it, and it went to touch that supply zone. Okay, and it's coming down. It's coming. Now this is forming. This could come here, probably go up a little like this, then drop. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting something like this and drop to form a harmonic pattern. Okay, let me. Some people can see my chart. So yes, it's falling. I hope you can see it now. Yes, it's falling, but I expect this one to form a harmonic pattern. So this will be the breaking market structure. Probably a retest. Then we have the down. So what you'll be looking out for is probably a break of this zone. And a lower time frame. So we are looking for a breakout of this trend. Once it breaks out, then that means that it's going to form a C leg, then it drops like this. Okay. And that will also give us another harmonic pattern. To give us another harmonic pattern. So we are just waiting for the break of the B to form the C. You can come to the 78.6, go back there, come all the way to the 1.272. So let's just wait for the B to complete and break to the C, then we'll know what to do. Okay. Hero card, wow. So hero card, I call that is going to form a cap and a handle. It went to kiss it, kiss the top of the cap. So probably it will form the handle, then it will continue up, or it will just drop from here. So now after the handle, you should know that if it's going to go up, then the distance from here to here if it's going to go up, then we should be seeing, after the correction, we should see an up move like this. Okay. Now I'm just looking at how the cap is going to, how do you call it? The handle is going to form. So the handle will start from here. Where is it coming to? So we should still see a bearish momentum drop to form the handle. If it's going to form the cap and handle, we should see a bearish move up down to form the handle. Euro CHF, let me see those on YouTube. Euro CHF. So Euro CHF, there should be more buying opportunity. Still expecting, so a double, like an ABC X ABC. So it should give us a bullish move. If it will continue to go down, then this should be another X, then ABC. But for now, I'm still expecting a bullish trend. This could be a break in market structure, rate test, then continue up so that to form a harmonic pattern. So this structure is already broken. So maybe to form a W pattern and go up. So don't be in a rush to buy because it can also break down to form a harmonic pattern. Okay, it can form a harmonic pattern. Breaking market structure, retest, then it will go. So don't be in a rush to buy. Once it's broken the structure, wait for a possible pullback, then buy. Okay. Pound, 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 pound. Anything USD there. For now, I'm against USD. The right move will come. Pound JPY. Guys, I'm tired. So let's call it a day. I'll update you on some of the usage. I'll update you on some of the pairs on the Telegram page so that we can pick it up from there. Okay. So all the best and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and press on the notification bell. I'm out.